Hello everyone, I am Yatendra and I welcome you, all of you, to learn this thing. Today, this is the first class of Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Before starting to the advance, we will cover all the topics with upcoming videos. So let's start Microsoft Excel. So to open any of the software, there is a shortcut as well. Just right click on the desktop, click on new, and here you can find the options. Any of the Microsoft product you can open here, like Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, or Microsoft Excel. This is only one software that can be similar for all types of operating system. You need to click on these particular options. After clicking on new options, right click new and then Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Again repeat this, right click new, then Microsoft Excel. File will be open or file will be created in your desktop. If you need, you can give the file name. Just right click of the file, go to the rename option and give the name first class. That's it. Double click on the file and open it. Now this is the interface of Microsoft Excel. First we will interact with the interface and after that we will move on the working of the Excel. So let's start. The first area which I am going to select, and that area is called title bar. Title bar. In this particular area you can see or you can easily identify the file name. Select this area and this area is called title bar or file name. Whatever the file is opening in the current, that you can easily identify that particular file. So now come to the next one, and this area is called quick access bar. This area is called quick access bar. In quick access bar you can add all these options which you need to use again and again. You can add all these options icons which you need to use again and again while working on the Excel sheet, like print command options, print preview option, open a new file option, save a file options, and lots of them. So this area is called quick access bar. Now come to the next one, and the next area is called this area is called menu bar. So you are seeing file, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, developer, help, and many more. So these are called tab, or you can also say that menus. Tab or menu. In tab or menu there are lots of options and each options are categorized in group. So first we will interact the area where we can find the any tab or any menus options. After clicking any of the menus, you need to come on this particular area, and you need to come on this particular area, and this area is called ribbon bar. All the menus options These are the menus. This is our ribbon bar area, and these are called the ribbon bar area, and these are called menu bar or tabs. So all the tabs, suppose we just click on the review, so all the options in ribbon bar will related to review. If currently we just click on the home tab, so these all ribbon bar area or these ribbon bar options are related to home tab. So this is called ribbon bar. And ribbon bar options has also categorized in a group, so you need to also identify that thing. First I am just clear the screen, and after that I will try to explain the group. So this is the first group inside home tab, this is the second group, the next one group, the next group, the next one group. So after click on any of the tabs, so we can there are lots of options inside the particular tab. So to arrange the particular options, it just give us group. So with the help of group we can easily remind the option means. So here we can easily identify the group name, alignment, number, style, cell, editing, and all these are the options inside that. If I will talk about the last one group, so last one group is editing, and inside editing auto sum, fill, clear, sort and filter, find and search options are there. So we can easily understand with the help of group. Suppose this is the group name font, so what is the means of this particular group? All the options related to font style we can find under this particular group, and this group is inside home tab. So we can easily remember then whenever I need to make some formatting on my font, so I need to come on the font group. Like that, number group is number formatting is also there. If I need to change some formatting in my data, like I want to change the style of the date, I want to change the style of the time, I want to change the format of the table, I want to change the format of the date, format of the time, format of the number, I want to make a particular column in symbol format. So all the options are available under number tab. So now move to the next one option. This option is called formula bar. We are using Excel for calculation, and without calculations we cannot do calculation without formula. So here is the formula bar. We will work on formula bar in detail in the next upcoming videos. This is the name box. What name box shows? Name box shows the selected file range or selected file area or selected file cell address. You can say that cell address. If I will click on the H4, suppose I will click here in this particular cell, I will if click on this particular cell H9, so here it will update H9. So after clicking any of the cell in name box, we can easily see yes, we are on cell number this. Now the last one is the status bar. Here we can create the sheet. This is the sheet 1, and we can create some more sheets while clicking on this plus options, and we can create up to 255 sheets in a Excel file. So this was all about the interface of the Microsoft Excels. In next video we will start with spreadsheet. Thank you.